Hello students, this is the fourth video for class 7 mathematics. So let us proceed with this question. Find the area and perimeter of this figure. Now in order to calculate area and perimeter, what do we have to do? See, for perimeter the first step is the addition of all the boundaries. So we need to see if all the values of all the sides are given or not. See, here you can see this side is given, this is given, this is given, but this side, the value for this side is not given. Same, the value for this side is not given. This is given, all these are given, but this side is not given. So we need to find out the value of the sides which are not given. So as you can see, this and this side is equal. So this will be 4. This side will also be 4. And if this line is 7, and this you can say that this is 2, that means this line is also 2. If this line is also 2, so this part will be 7 minus 2, that is 5. And this the length of this side will be the addition of all these vertical sides. That is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. So that comes to 14. So this line will be 14. Now we know what is perimeter. Perimeter is the addition of all the sides. So to calculate the perimeter, we will be adding up all these sides. So we start from 14. 14 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. If we add up all these sides, we will be getting 50 meter. Now moving on to area. As you can see, this shape is made up of different rectangles. So I have divided this into 3 rectangles and we will be finding the area of each rectangle and then we will be adding up all the 3 areas. You can divide it in other shapes also, like you can also divide this horizontally and you can find the area. Now, so this is our first rectangle, this is our second rectangle and this is our third rectangle. So area, the total area will be equal to area of first rectangle plus second rectangle plus third rectangle. So what will be the area of first rectangle? You can see this is the length and this is the breadth. So 14 into 2 plus area of second rectangle. This is the length. Don't mistake this with 7. Don't write 7 because our second rectangle starts from here. So this is the box. So we will be writing 5 into 2. 5 multiplied by 2. And for our third rectangle, it starts from here. So again, 4 into 2. So 14 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 2. That comes to 28 plus 10 plus 8 meters squared because this is area. So this is equal to 46 meters squared. Now let us look at the next question. A room is 10 meter long and 6 meter broad. It is surrounded by a veranda which is 2 meter wide all around it. Find the cost of flooring the veranda with marble at rupees 236 per meter square. So here let us first draw the diagram. We will draw a rectangle which is of 10 meter, whose length is 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter. And now we have to surround this rectangle with another rectangle for this veranda. And we will be surrounding this with another rectangle and the width of that rectangle will be 2 meter. Okay. So now, in this one we have to find the cost of flooring with marble at rupees 236 per meter square. That means we need to calculate the area of the veranda. Now how do we calculate the area of the veranda? We will be first calculating the area of the entire rectangle, the outer rectangle, and then we will subtract it with the area of the inner rectangle. If we get this entire area and if we subtract the area which is there present here, we will be getting the area of the veranda. Then we will multiply it with cost per unit and we will get the total cost. So area of the room. This room is actually excluding the veranda. So area of the room will be length into breadth, that is 10 into 6. So it comes to 60 meters square. Now area of the room including the veranda, that means the outer area. For that we need to know the outer length and the outer breadth. So the inner length is 10. Here it is 2 meter wide and here again it is 2 meter wide. So the outer length will be 2 plus 10 plus 2. That is 14. And the outer breadth will be 2 plus 6 plus 2. That is 10. So the area of the room including the veranda is 14 into 10, that is 140 meter. Now area for veranda, as I've already told you, it will be the area of the outer rectangle subtracted by the area of the inner rectangle. So 140 minus 60, that comes to 80 meters square. Now cost of flooring 1 meter square of the floor is given in the question, that is rupees 236. So cost of flooring 80 meters square will be rupees 236 multiplied by 80, that is rupees 18,880. Now our next question is, a sheet of paper measures 35 cm by 25 cm. A strip of 5 cm is cut from it all around. Find the area of the remaining sheet and the cutout strip. Suppose you have a sheet of paper, a rectangular sheet of paper with a dimension 35:25. Now we have to cut a strip of 5 cm from all the sides. So the diagram will be something like this. Now we need to find the area of the remaining sheet. Which is the remaining sheet? This portion is the remaining sheet, and the other one, this one, is the cutout portion. So area of the sheet will be length into breadth, that is 35 into 25, that comes to 875 centimeters square. Now area of the remaining sheet, how do we find out this area? The area of the remaining sheet. We can find this out by finding out the inner length and the inner breadth. See, here the outer length is 35 and this side measures 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. So the inner length will be 35 minus 5 minus 5, and the inner breadth will be 25 minus 5 minus 5. So it comes to, this is equal to 25 and this one is equal to 15. So 25 into 15, that is 375 centimeters square. So this is the answer to our first question. The area of the remaining sheet is 375 centimeters square. Now area of the cutout strip will be, this is the remaining portion. Now if we subtract the entire area from the area of the remaining portion, we get the area of the cutout strip. So this area of the cutout strip will be 875 minus 375, that is 500 centimeters square. So let us look at the next question. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the part of a question. So here the figure is given and this is our shaded portion. So we need to calculate this area. The dimensions for the inner rectangle is given very clearly, that is 12 meter into 9 meter, and this width is 3 meters and this is of 2 meter. So let us start solving. The dimensions for inner rectangle is length is 12 meter and breadth is 9 meter. So area will be length into breadth, that is 12 into 9, 108 meters square. Now for the outer rectangle, first we will have to calculate the length and breadth. So length will be 12 plus 3 plus 3, because we are calculating the length of the outer rectangle. So 12 plus 3 comes to 18 meter. Similarly for the breadth, we will be calculating 9 plus 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 13 meter. So area of the outer rectangle will be the length into breadth. So length is 18 multiplied by 13, we get 234 meters square. Now in order to calculate the area of the shaded portion, we need to subtract the area of inner rectangle from the outer rectangle. So that will be outer rectangle, the area of outer area minus the inner area. So this is equal to 234 meters square minus 108 meters square. So this comes to 126 meters square.